Hey, what's up, guys? It's your girl Carolyn, and it is Friday morning, which means I am back to work and my meal prep. I have all the ingredients here all set up for the meals that I'm going to have today. I'm gonna have a potato salad, tofu, 2 mangoes, regular green salad. We have some dates and some stuff for my shake. Underneath this, we have, let me see if I can open it, protein pancakes in there. And on this corner, I have ginger tea and oat creamer so that I can make my ginger tea milk and sweetener. And then something that I'm not showing is quinoa, and I am going to make some quinoa with some beans. All right, I'll show you guys the results later. Alright guys, so I forgot to mention this. I'm making a tone-up salad. So it's supposed to be like a tuna salad, but since I don't eat fish, it's a tone-up salad. As you guys can see, this pasta has 20 grams of protein, 8 grams of fiber, and that's for the whole entire box, which I am cooking the whole entire box. 52 grams of net carbs.
Ready? One, go!